Goodbye. The most standard way that you probably already know is au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. So it's the most basic translation to goodbye. It's the one that you'll learn in textbooks, and it's used, though it sounds very formal. Au revoir. Now again, you can devocalize the E in re. So most of the people would say au revoir, instead of au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. O here also, it can be an open O or a closed O. Au revoir or au revoir, au revoir. Actually, I wonder which one is more natural, but I would say that the closed O sounds more proper. Au revoir. If you want to say have a good day, have a good evening. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Or have a good evening. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. If you paid attention to the first lesson, we started with bonjour. Bonjour. And now it's bonne journée. So bonjour is when you meet someone, you greet the person bonjour. And when you leave that person, you're going to say bonne journée, if it's still the day or the afternoon. Otherwise, it's going to be bonne soirée. It's pretty tricky, the difference between jour and journée. Just keep in mind that jour is 24 hours, or the opposite of night. Jour et nuit. Un jour, c'est 24 heures. One day is 24 hours. As opposed to journée. Journée is a bit more vague in time. That being said, you'll have to learn some expressions by heart with both words. So bonjour is when you meet a person. Bonne journée is when you leave that person. Bonjour, hello. Bonne journée, have a good day. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonne soirée, have a good evening. Now, bye is actually used in French. You can say bye with a French accent. Bye. Otherwise, the most casual way of saying bye is salut. You already know salut, and you can use it to say hi or bye. Salut, 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 salut. Pretty much like Italian people would use ciao. So they say ciao to say hi and ciao to say bye. That being said, in French, we only use it to say bye with a French accent. Ciao, ciao. But I personally would use salut for both. Another one is adieu. 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 Adieu is farewell. It sounds like that. It's literally to God, meaning when we'll die, we'll meet each other in front of God. So adieu. In Switzerland, they would use that to casually say goodbye. Adieu. And in some places in Switzerland, I actually heard people say adieu to say hi. Adieu. Adieu. Now let's recap all that. Au revoir. Au revoir. Salut. Bye. Ciao. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Adieu. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.